You staying cool under there? Yeah. I made them a tent. Well, I gave them shade. I put a blanket over top of the picnic table so then they can have some shade. The King's here on the sidelines. Hey, big guy. He's hot, eh? Oh, he's okay. I got him wet with some water bottles because he was just so hot. Now you're cooled off, eh? A little bit. Got dirt on your face. Let's go take a look over here. Got some potatoes cooking for dinner. My hand is not steady. I guess you get shaky when you get older. What a handsome guy. Their water's over here. Then there's a jug of water for them there and there. Going to the store to get some ice. Right, King? Need some cold, cold water. Little wood pile over there. This was our breakfast. They had some chicken for their lunch. And this here, this monster is for their dinner. Gonna make it medium rare on the barbecue. And they're gonna have a dinner they're gonna love. And their dog food too if they want. Anyway, just thought I would show a quick video of my doggies and how we're enjoying the day. And that's about it. Okay. And Pierogi's under there, King's here. And that's it. Later, guys.